Congress parliamentarian Renuka Chaudhary, where this time she says that the army has essentially been dragged by the BJP. In fact, the Congress MP leader claims that army leaders are now speaking under pressure that is being built by the government. Now, what's the context of the statement that she has made is not really known, but Renuka Chaudhary, now this is the second day when she has gone into a controversy. First was with regards to a pet dog being brought inside the parliament premises, and now you have yet again the Congress parliamentarian speaking about the army. Direct insult being heaped at the army right now, with the Congress parliamentarian questioning Indian Army, saying that they are all speaking under duress, under pressure coming in from the government. Let me go across to Rakshita, who's joining us from outside the parliament. Yet another controversial statement now being made by Renuka Chaudhary, where this time she says that the army is being pressurized to speak.
Well, it's not the first time that Renuka Chaudhary has made headlines for insulting the armed forces also. If you remember, in the previous session also, it was back in August, Renuka Chaudhary had cast doubts on Operation Mahadev as well, when the perpetrators of the Pahalgam attack were caught by our armed forces. In fact, she had made some really controversial remarks, saying that they can't catch hold of terrorists, so on and so forth. In fact, even questioning that the ones who have been caught, are they even the real terrorists or not? So this was, of course, an operation that has been hailed across the world. This is an Operation Mahadev that was very, very important, so as to crack down on those who were behind that dastardly attack on the 22nd of April in Pahalgam of Jammu and Kashmir. But Renuka Chaudhary was the same person who had questioned the armed forces before, and today again she is casting doubts on the armed forces, on the leaders, on military leadership. In fact, as they continue to thwart the claims and those baseless claims that are made by the opposition leaders, including Rahul Gandhi, when they question our armed forces. They've been doing it for years, even after Operation Sindoor. We know from Ajay Rai to Renuka Chaudhary to Rahul Gandhi, there have been so many statements that have been made, about Rafale, how many jets were down, so on and so forth. Right from all the three service chiefs, they have been very, very clear to send out a message to those within and across the globe. And Pakistan has admitted to it. But, we have, Pakistan itself continues to admit what sort of damage that they have gone through after Operation Sindoor. But here you have the Congress MP, Renuka Chaudhary, who's so-called a senior leader of the Congress party, who is once again questioning our armed forces and going on to say that they are parroting someone's lines, that they have been given something to say and they have no option but to follow and say, be a mouthpiece for the government, if what she is trying to insinuate here, unfortunately.
Well, thank you very much, Rakshita, for getting us the latest details. In fact, the BJP basically responding to this comment that has been made by Congress parliamentarian. This is BJP's Shehzad Poonawalla speaking on this entire issue.
रेणुका चौधरी जी ने कल कुत्ता लाकर संसद का अपमान किया और सांसदों को, संसद के स्टाफ को किस प्रकार से कुत्ते से तुलना की। आज उन्होंने संवैधानिक पदों के बाद, संवैधानिक संस्थाओं के बाद सेना का अपमान किया। कहा कि हमारे जो आर्मी के जनरल्स है, आर्मी के हमारे जो शूरवीर है, उनको फोर्स किया जाता है सरकार के द्वारा स्टेटमेंट करने के लिए। मतलब कि एक तो वो कह रही है पाकिस्तान को ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में हमारे सेना के जवान जवाब नहीं दे पाए। दूसरा, वो ये कह रही है कि हमारे आर्मी जनरल्स और आर्मी के जो बड़े अधिकारी हैं उन पर जुल्म किया जा रहा है। मतलब कि किस हद तक जाएंगी कांग्रेस पार्टी सेना के मनोबल को तोड़ने के लिए। पहले उन्होंने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर और ऑपरेशन महादेव पर भी इन्हीं रेणुका चौधरी ने सवाल उठाए थे और कहा था सही आतंकवादी को मारा है कि नहीं मारा है। इनके वो नेता है कांग्रेस पार्टी के राहुल गांधी, जो कहते हैं कि सेना की पिटाई हो गई। सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक, बालाकोट एयर स्ट्राइक और हमारे ऑपरेशन सिंदूर पर भी सवाल खड़े करते हैं, जबकि प्रमाण दिया गया है। ये हमेशा सेना का करते हैं अपमान। सड़क का गुंडा भी तो बोला था। ये मानते हैं पाकिस्तान को अपना भाईजान, ये चलाते हैं वोट बैंक की दुकान और करते हैं संवैधानिक संस्थाओं का और सेना का लगातार अपमान। ये कांग्रेस की मानसिकता और विचारधारा है। 5 वर्षों तक इन्होंने कारगिल विजय दिवस नहीं मनाया। इन्होंने कहा कि कारगिल का युद्ध बीजेपी का युद्ध था। ये सड़क का गुंडा बोलते हैं सेना को। ये सेना विरोधी है, ये संविधान विरोधी है।
Well, in fact, it turns out that day 2 of the winter session is a repeat of what we saw